In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front bumper valance panel on a Ford Escape. It is located on the front bumper. Underneath your front bumper valance panel, you have two 7mm bolts and 4 clips. You need to remove those. Your clips come apart in 2 pieces. Once you remove your clips and screws, you can take an interior trim tool, push it in between these 2 pieces, and pull straight out. And just pull out on the other side. On both sides of a new panel, you're going to have these 3 tabs. You want to line it up with the 3 holes on your bumper. Once you have those lined up, push until they clip in. Do the same on the other side. Now you can install your 2 7mm screws. And all your clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.